Unraveling Idioms. Dance till you drop. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions, focusing on the vibrant phrase, dance till you drop. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering English, adding color and depth to your conversations. Let's explore what this expression means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Dance till you drop is an idiomatic expression that paints a vivid picture. At first glance, it seems to talk about dancing non-stop until you're too tired to continue. However, it's important to understand that this phrase is not always taken literally. In essence, it means doing something with all your energy and enthusiasm until you can no longer continue. It's about commitment and enjoying the process to the fullest. The origins of dance till you drop are a bit of a mystery, as is the case with many idiomatic expressions. It likely comes from the days when dance marathons were popular, where participants would dance for hours or even days, competing to be the last one standing. This historical context helps us understand the phrase's emphasis on endurance and passion. Using dance till you drop in conversation can add flair and expressiveness to your speech. Here are a few examples. In encouragement, you're so passionate about your art. Go ahead, dance till you drop. Describing an experience, we danced till we dropped at the concert last night. It was amazing. Metaphorical use, I'm going to study till I drop. I really want to ace this exam. Remember, while the phrase can be used literally, it's often employed metaphorically to describe any activity done with maximum effort and enjoyment. We hope this exploration of dance till you drop has added a new expression to your English vocabulary and shown you the beauty of idiomatic language. Idioms like these can make your English sound more natural and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to dance till you drop in your language learning journey. See you in our next video.